I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Android and opening the Camera or Barcode app. Grant camera and storage permissions if prompted because the app needs live camera access to read codes. Point the lens at a printed or on-screen barcode, holding the phone steady about 6-12 inches away. Autofocus may take a second. Once the barcode is centered and fills roughly half the frame, wait for the scanner to focus and decode. If you see a square overlay, align the code inside it and keep steady until a confirmation appears. Next, make the scanner work reliably by choosing the right app and adjusting settings. If the stock camera supports barcode detection, use Google Lens from the camera toolbar. Otherwise, open a trusted barcode app like Barcode Scanner or your shopping app. Turn on the flashlight in low light and enable continuous focus if available. This reduces blur. Once the code reads, tap the detected result to open the URL, copy text, or add contact info. If numbers appear garbled, try a different angle or increase distance. Finally, complete the task by acting on the scan data. If it's a URL, review the link before opening to avoid malicious sites. For product codes, compare the lookup result and price, or paste the code into a search field to verify. Save contact or Wi-Fi details directly if presented. Once done, close the app and revoke temporary permissions if concerned about privacy. Troubleshooting tip: if scans fail repeatedly, clean the lens, reboot the phone, and update the app, then retry with steady lighting and a plain background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.